Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram likes not showing on an Instagram post. A lot of users have been reporting that they're not seeing the likes on their Instagram post, both on iPhone and Android devices. Now, a lot of Instagram users' question is what to do for fixing this issue. So first of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone or Android devices. Now open the Instagram application. You can go to the profile button at the bottom and tap on it. Then select any post that you want, and here you can see that I can see the likes but some other users cannot see it. So here's what you have to do to fix the issue. So make sure that you follow the steps so you can easily fix this problem. Now the first solution is the most important one for iPhone and Android users. Install the old versions of Instagram. Now, first of all, uninstall the currently installed Instagram application. Now, again, open any browser like Safari and Google Chrome. And in the browser's top corner, in its search bar, let's go ahead and tap old versions, Instagram old versions download. Let's click on the first one. Open it. Look for the latest one, latest version of Instagram, then click on it. Then tap on the download option. Once it's done downloading, log in to your Instagram. This is one way on how to easily fix Instagram not showing likes on your post. If it's still not working, our second solution is to fully uninstall the device right here on the home page. Just have to click it. Then you will see the delete option. Click on that. And then delete application. Now we open the Play Store in Android or App Store in iPhone devices. Now the top corner search bar is here. You just have to click on that and search Instagram. Now tap on the install icon. Once it's successfully done, log into your Instagram account again. This way you can actually fix your problem again. Now the third solution is to clear cache and clear data of the Instagram application. If it's still not working after these two steps, you just have to uninstall Instagram using the settings. So we go to the settings, we look for the application right here, and then we click on uninstall or delete. Once you're done, you go back to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram again, look for the download icon, and then try to log in again.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.